Hello, you're watching The Market Bull. I'm Tyler Tully. Joining us today via Zoom is Cobra Resources CEO Rupert Verco. Rupert, thank you for joining us.
Hi Tyler, thanks for having me again.
You've just released initial observations from your drill core from the Boland prospect in South Australia, confirming the project is suitable for mining by a method known as in situ recovery. Can you start by describing the significance of this to our viewers?
Well, Tyler, it's really significant because going into this work, we certainly believed that the geology would be amenable to ISR, and being able to view this core has really verified that thesis and has given us confidence that we're going to get the right permeabilities to be able to extract these rare earth metals through the lowest cost form of mining that has unprecedented environmental advantages.
So how does in situ recovery compare to the other way that rare earth deposits are currently being mined?
The key component with clay-hosted rare earths is to minimise your mining costs. If you look at other operations outside of China that are currently in production, which there are very few, they're traditionally being mined through load and haul, and then they're either heap leached or they're batch leached. This increases the capex or the capital requirements to support an operation and increases the disturbance footprint and the carbon intensity of that mining process. So the opportunity we have is to reduce those components from a cost and an environmental benefit perspective by being able to apply ISR mining owing to our unique geology.
So what are the next steps for Cobra to advance this deposit towards development?
Well, what we're doing now is we have sent core samples to ANSTO, who will be performing bench scale studies on the ISR recoverability of the rare earth mineralisation at Boland. And what we've done in the wellfield is effectively we've been so encouraged by what we've seen is we've put a configuration of bores into the ground and put screens in, and this will allow us to get the hydrology information and support the infrastructure for a future in-field pilot study for rare earth extraction through ISR.
Finally, is there any other news flow that investors should be watching out for?
Well, Tyler, we expect to be in a position to release results from reanalysis work that we hope will demonstrate the regional scale potential of the discovery at Boland, and that should come to market very soon. And following on from that, we would expect to have assays from the Boland drilling demonstrating that grade concentration. Concentration is important because it improves the ratio of acid to treatable ore. And then following on from that, we'll have the results from the ANSTO ISR metallurgical test work. So lots of high value news flow to come to market.
Rupert, thank you for joining us at The Market Bull.
Thanks, Tyler.